Hi folks, this is a happy Valentine's Day for everybody. Hi everybody. And our prayers to Irish Colleen, that's Wingin with Irish Colleen, and Elizabeth from Common Sense Elizabeth. Hope you feel better. I've been checking out a new channel. It's called Disable and Prepping, and it's Heidi's channel. It's a lot of hauls, and I'm still deciding, and I'll give a critique later on. But right now, I want to show you something. Simple meal, 3 meatballs, okay, spaghetti, and toast with a type of cream spread. You can make it at home. This meal only cost me $2.75 to make. There's plenty of food for me, and I usually have a cup of milky tea. So I'll catch you later, folks. Happy Valentine's Day.